Tired of wrestling with complicated podcast distribution? In this video, we'll show you the easiest way to get your podcast onto Spotify using Buzzsprout, making sure your voice is heard by millions. Let's dive in. First, log into your Buzzsprout account and navigate to the Directories tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down the list of directories until you find Spotify spotted. Great, now, click on the Get Listed button next to the Spotify logo. Buzzsprout will now take you to their specific Spotify integration page. Simply click the Submit Podcast button to begin the process. You'll be prompted to verify your podcast details, including its name and RSS feed URL, which Buzzsprout automatically fills in for you. Double-check everything is correct. Next, select the primary and secondary categories that best describe your podcast. This helps Spotify users find your content more easily. Choose wisely. Once you've completed all the required information, click Submit Podcast. Buzzsprout will then send your podcast information to Spotify for review, and that's it. Spotify will typically review and approve your podcast within a few days. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Spotify regarding your submission. Now you're ready to reach millions of listeners on Spotify, boosting your podcast's visibility and impact. Happy podcasting.